Sebastian? Sebastian! What wrong? What you going so far? What happened? Sebastian? Sebastian!
Call daddy, please.
Why? What happened? Tell me now. What wrong?
What happened? Where am I going so far? Sebastian, what going with you? What wrong? You can come in here, please.
Rick, please let me know what's wrong, okay? I really want to know what's wrong.
Where you scream out so far? What happened? Where you going so far? Eh? You just sleepwalk? Hello? May I talk to you, Sebastian? You deaf or something? When me a piss, my body, it feel like it a burn off. I mean, no wrong, it happened for a couple days now. That normal? I mean, is that supposed to happen? That not sound like something too right in a Sebastian. No, that's why I call you in here to talk to you about it, because I don't know what the hell I want, and I'm kinda worried still. We're going on. Go and get dressed. I'm gonna bring you down to the clinic and we'll check it out, alright? I will see what's going on with you. Can you please not tell mommy about it? She always do the most and I overreact.
What happened? Why am I going along so far? Him tell you?
Him have a local stomach issue. Me I go bring him to the clinic later and see what's wrong with him. No worry about nothing. Don't fret up yourself. Him will be alright, okay? Alright, I forgot to sleep. Alright, I'm really tired. Diana, you still here? I worry about you, you know, come back to school.
Grandma said I can't stay home for a bit until I'm ready to go back. I'm just not feel like to go.
Diana, more you just tell me what happened now. I will do that to you. I will fuck up your face, so. I just don't understand why would anybody just want to beat you up, so you're not troublemaker. You're not bother nobody. Just tell me now. Tell me what I go on. Talk to me, alright?
It's a long story and it kind of complicated. I don't know if I'm going to tell you. You just really stress me out.
That's what I need you to tell me what I go on. Who do that to you? You must know the person. At school it happened. Just let me know what I go on.
If I tell you, you're not going to make a big deal about it, alright? Come on, I want no more problem come from this. May I beg you, Junior? Don't say nothing to nobody, okay? Please.
Tell me say somebody where you know do this. Cause the way you talk, it sound like that. Who do this to you? I want to know. I can't just make this slide so you know I'm stay already.
Yannick and her friend do it. Two of them beat me up. Because of you.
Yannick and your friend. What should I beat you up because of me for? This don't make no sense. What happened? What going on between wanna make this all? No, something not right about this.
You see how you're going? This is why I never want to tell you. I knowing you, I know you're going to try to confront them, and I don't want that.
What you expect man for though? For just let this slide? What the freak them a beat you up for? Them are supposed to be your friend? Nah man, this not right at all.
You see, you're going to make things worse for me, Junior. Please, just sit down and talk to you, please.
Look, I'm not gonna say nothing to them, alright? I just wanna know what happened, what caused all of this. Fuck around. Your old man feel some type of way,
Somebody has spread some rumor about me and you there. And then you need to feel a way about it because a long time she like you. So she get vexed about it. And that's why them jump me.
Who could have spread rumors to me here there? Who hate you that much for you cause all them problems you feel? That's what me want to know. This not right. Something go on, man.
Junior, I beg you just to make a big deal about it, okay? That'll make things worse for me.
Come on, man. Come give me a hug. Or I'm not gonna make nothing happen to you, okay?
Just to say nothing to nobody. You want something to eat?
Yeah, man. Yannick, hear what happened today and out there? You know anything about it?
No, me just somebody beat her up. How what happened? She alright? When I see her at school? She okay?
She good, man. Just I wonder why. Anybody that want beat her up, you know, they are not really in and out with nobody.
That's what me want to know too. Cause they are not a troublemaker. She not bother nobody at all. So I don't know why nobody would want to beat her up.
Alright, if you hear anything, just let me know, okay?
Of course, Junior. And you're looking nice today too. But if me hear anything, me make you know, okay?
Daddy, Sebastian, so something serious, you know. The way you're going, you'll get yourself in a whole heap of trouble, you know. It might not look like something serious, but it is. HIV. Daddy, me know me know have all of them. And Daddy, me only have. But just to tell you, say more than one thing you can't catch. You have to be more safe for what you do. Alright? Alright, Daddy, me you yes, man. I know why you just hear out me and say more if I understand. Just because you're young, I mean say you're invisible. Alright? No worry, Daddy, me not gonna do it again, I promise. Just be more safe. I promise me nothing. And don't worry, me not gonna say nothing to your mother about this. Yo, you. Yeah, being nerdy, no man. Oh, you know, I get up every day, I do homework, do something fun, no? So, me taking my schoolwork serious, that problem. No, wait, I want to get some girl. Oh, yeah, you obsessed over that girlie. Dear. And if you get some pum pum, and if I worry about, it we don't fair worry about school and I'm foolish, is the man. Jackson, how you want? Where you coming in my room for about I'm born now, eh? What is it? Friend of mine keep on party next week Friday. I'm wife for forward coming up. Want to teach you the ropes about everything. The ropes about what exactly? You know that foolish stay, you know. Alright, enough, you know foolishness, but at least get one little girlfriend or something. You can't sit on a think about a girl. Yo, stop worry about me and how me I think, boy, alright? Me forward at party. Don't worry about it, man. I get one nice big body girl. You see, man, you gotta enjoy yourself. Anything you want to say, youth?
Ostrowashi, oplaciata di Ikutu, Wasuna Boza, Mazo di Bahama, Pota,
Rick, what happened? What did the doctor them say? What wrong with him? Is it something serious? Please tell me what go on. Me I worry all day about it.
Him good man, I'm not fear for worry about.
What do you mean it's nothing horrible? Why you always keeping secrets for him? I know something more serious than oh yeah make it seem. Tell me what's going on.
So youth, what type of foolishness you get yourself in I know. You make mommy and daddy argue again. Everything cool man. Let me soon stop arguing. No worry about nothing. You worry too much, yeah, girl. Let me guess. Oh, STD you catch, don't it? Yeah, and we so get that fixed and go and deal what me have to deal with. You mean say I can start by calling you fuckery again, don't it? Watch your man. What you worry about? Man a bad man, I worry about nothing. You worry more than me. You have to put yourself in a problem and then everybody else have to deal with it. Yo, man, I get really tired of your bullshit, man. Be a problem you cause.